breadfruit pan tree. That one are ripe and now we not drop it.
Trying to attempt to climb a coconut tree. Oh my gosh. Island boy.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Oh, you want a car? Do you want a car? Are you alright? Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, you want mommy to fix it for you? Alright. Because Dad made a mess of it, babe. He doesn't like when you make a mess of it. He's a bit particular. He reminds me of somebody like me. He's a bit particular with things, you know. All right, let's go. Do you want your, is that it? Or you want to close it? You want to close it? All right, done. That's it. Let's go. Come on.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what I mean? You guys see where we left off in the last video. You know what I mean? So we're there.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, man.
I want to swim and just relax, man.
Yeah, really hot. And it's been a long, like, hours of driving from... What the hell? That's a big gas just let go. Why is he crying now? Look how beautiful this place is. Real tropical vibe.
Oh, babe, you going this with Island Boy?
Hammock. There's a big hole. There's a big hole in the middle.
You wanna lay down? Daddy, lay down.
No.
You scared?
No.
Why? It's been a while since I've been in one of these. If you're not careful, they tiptoe over with you. You see that? When it's very stiff like this, it's like.
Lucky no wonder you haven't got a big crowd watching you, no one. Huh?
Yeah. Radam. But it's very kayak.
Snorkeling down there.
Lady going kayak.
Oh wow.
Come.
You should go, babes. Time is of the essence. Or we always got tomorrow too.
No,
Yes. Okay. Bula.
Bula. Nice to meet you.
Maria.
Sai.
Nice to meet you, Tyrone.
Sai, same as the little boy. Sai. Okay. Is he your brother?
He's my niece.
Oh, okay, your nephew. Yeah. Okay, I get you. All right. And this is Little Island.
Alan. Bula.
Bula, say Bula.
It's in a mood.
You eat?
It's ready.
You ready? Okay. Yeah.
You come inside the restaurant.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Come on, let's go eat now. Babe, just pick him up, no man. And get it. In here? Thank you, Vinaka. Oh, calor. Brasil, calor, ¿no? Yeah. En el Bora. Estamos en New South Wales. Igual Sydney.
Okay.
Un campo chiquitito, casino.
Do you want to do
That's okay. It's alright.
You sure?
Yeah. Thank you.
This is definitely different and I love it. They have like the coconut on the side, the papaya. I've never seen a dish like that before. Very interesting.
You can eat the papaya.
Yeah. Island. Hey.
I'm not big on it.
Island. Behave yourself. And as you guys can see, they also place a leaf underneath and then place the pasta on top. Yeah, so that's some real island vibe thing, you know. Yeah, I love the papa noise.
Wifey doesn't like it.
Yeah, love papa, man. Alright, so we just Add some food in our system. Going to check out the beach. Babes on island down there swimming already. Wow. The water is so beautiful. Island. So pretty. Hi, Bubba. Yeah. Oh, the sun turn up. The water feel warm, yo.
Nice.
I swear this remind me of Jamaica, yo. Australia water cool most of the time, if not all the time. What? We can just jump in it and even have to worry. What? Oh my god.
So sure, my man.
You know how long we don't feel this? What? You know how long we don't feel this, boy? Yeah, boy. You water, you warm, you know, boy. Wow.
This is nice.
Beautiful, man.
Okay, guys, so we're just chilling. I feel like my face is burning off already.
It gets really warm here.
Oh yeah, let's check under the water. Oh, nice, man. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this one. What's that there? Watch Daddy with Sai. 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 Hang on, baby, it's blurry. Hang on. Guys, babe's gonna try and attempt to climb the coconut tree. Oh my gosh. Island boy. Careful, babe. Don't fall down, Dad. You alright? Is that a good one? Alright, Sai's behind you, babe. Yeah. That's it, no? Oh my gosh. Okay. Sai, careful. He's gonna film you coming down. You alright? Oh my gosh. Binaka? Oh wow.
Coconut.
That's it, coconut island.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Coconut.
We know we need a machete.
Machete. Machete.
Chop?
Machete, chop. Where? Oh, we follow him. Come. Come, island. This is fun. Oh shit, I lost the bra.
Long time I haven't climbed a tree.
You done well. My gosh. Island, don't play with people's plants no more.
Hard meat though. Then I wanted to get the one up higher.
Yeah.
Which will have the fire.
Babe, this looks like almond tree.
No, it's a mango.
Oh, mango. Really? Wow. Huh? What?
I can't remember the word. Where they put two trees together.
Wow, he likes to play. Mango. Mango?
Say
Mango.
hi.
Mango. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
My name's Sai.
My name's Sai.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
This?
Yeah. Camera. Camera.
Huh?
Yeah.
Camera.
Film. Look. 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 Video.
Don't have to wash up with it. Okay.
This.
Okay. Oh, okay, Vinaka.
Island, come.
Island, come on.
Cut.
And this one, breadfruit. The breadfruit tree. Nice. Nice.
Oh, yeah, there was even a short tree down there.
Oh yeah, short tree. Shows you the hard one. Okay, look, he's filming everything.
Yeah.
You left your thongs over there, my love. It's alright.
Gonna have to wash up in the water after the tree.
Dada. Oh, horfa karabana na. Seleme rumbu.
Oh, that's the papaya tree. That's the coconut.
Yeah, hold this one. This one. You're a strong boy. You're a strong boy, man. Hmm?
We have this tree in Jamaica too. Call it sea cotton.
See what?
Sea cotton.
Oh,
Like we say cotton.
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 Oh, okay. Wow.
I thought it was nothing like first.
Oh, hang on. It's lime. Yeah. Wow, lovely. Say to YouTube, hello YouTube.
Island.
Island, come to mom. Come to mom. Show me.
We do that in Jamaica as well too. I think we don't have a mash yet.
Yeah. Film. Here. This here. Oh my gosh, I used to try to do stuff in the islands, like in Samoa, but yeah, I can't do it. It's too hard.
Okay.
You have to have muscle.
Yeah. That's the coconut. As I would say.
One.
Yeah.
Wow. Island boy, Island! Come! Hello!
Chocolate.
You're gonna be a cameraman. Hey? You're gonna be a YouTube, earn some money on the YouTube.
Phone.
Hmm?
Phone.
Phone.
Yeah.
Look, for you, baby coconut.
Big coconut. I want coconut.
Okay.
Yeah, gotta cut the top. You have a,
Mommy.
yeah, you love the water.
Mommy.
Alright, let's go.
Thank you very much. Got a small stone I could crack them too.
Oh, my feet burn now. Island, look.
It's a bit soft.
Hang on. Film straight.
Mommy, come.
Watch.
Mama.
Okay, Island, wait. You want to drink coconut?
No. No.
You got a full of sand now.
Come, Mommy. Let's go.
Wait, Island, wait. I want to drink coconut. You want coconut?
Yeah. Mommy.
Look.
Mommy.
Look what Dad has there. You want to try it first and make sure it's good?
Yeah, it's good. And just bite into it.
Really?
Hold on. It's a bit hard. but it's nice. It's not spoiled, babe. It's good coconut. Good.
Alan.
Go drink.
Coconut.
Yes. Come.
Alan, look at mum.
A coconut.
Okay, no, don't trip it. Come here, bring it here.
Might be a nice one. Sure.
Maybe you want some? You drink. Good boy.
No. Hey, mommy.
Meat nice.
Nice? Meat nice?
Yeah.
Look at this guy, he knows his yard, no man. Hey? Yard man. Yard man ting.
Drink, Bubba.
Life. Life. Vitality. Good. I was just saying to Babe, because the young boy's sitting up on the steps eating Babe's cut rock. He cut it with a rock, as you guys seen it. The other guy, I think maybe his dad. Could you be?
I wonder. Yeah.
He said nephew.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah,
nephew, yeah. Yeah, so probably told him that Babe opened it with a rock because he was probably wondering how we got it open.
Yeah.
But he doesn't realise maybe that Babe's like Jamaican. Yeah. And then I said maybe they think Jamaica's in Africa.
Yeah.
As a lot of people do think that.
That's real talk.
That was really nice, guys. Really nice. And I have to cover myself on the sun though. Island boy.
Right, thanks to Fiji, we can have fresh coconut.
That's it. Yeah?
I did the math.
Fiji did it.
What'd you say?
I did math.
Fiji did it. Island Fiji did it.
Sometimes I went to go buy even coconut at the shop. I spoil them spoil.
Careful. Feels like it's getting high tide. Don't drink the water.
Yeah, I think so.
Island.
Look at that.
Well, Mummy's horsey, that salt bears your eyeballs. You be careful, mister. You remember that when he was a baby? Get him, boy, get him, boy, get him, boy. Get daddy, get daddy. Get daddy. Get daddy. Hi, daddy.
Hey boy.
Careful, the boat's coming straight for him.
Oh shit. I didn't realize.
Let's move on over. Maybe Said doesn't know how to swim, poor thing. I don't know.
Just don't allow him to go in now.
Oh yeah, because of the sun. Yeah, sometimes they have good times.
Good morning, Island family. This is day 2 of our journey, our trip, our vacation, our holiday. And just move that out of the way. And it is about 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is still rising. My face is very burnt, as you can see. Everyone have a laugh because this is probably the only time you'll ever see me look like a red tomato. Anyways, good morning. And Island's having a fuss because he doesn't know whether he wants to get up yet or he's just playing games. So this is what Island is right now. Oh, he's in a mood, guys. Okay, well, we won't put him there then. Okay, so how was our first night in paradise? It was nice. I slept really well, as you can tell. I look well rested. I look, besides red, and look like a lobster. And the colour of these curtains don't help. It's true, it doesn't help. You know, but otherwise, we slept really well, and I will quickly put on some pants and I'll walk outside and show you outside real quick. I'm just looking by the window. Oh my god. Anyway. Oh, the sea looks so calm. Just looking through the mesh here. So peaceful. Lovely. And we had a big tropical storm last night, and it was pretty nice to hear the rain fall. Hey babe, good morning.
Morning. Morning, Island tribe. What go on, you know? Yeah, man, it was nice last night, the rain, because it was a bit warm. The rain just come on with the cool breeze, just cool on everything. So you sleep good through the night. So, so this morning, going to be trying out lure fishing. You know what I mean? So, yeah, gonna see what Fiji have to offer in terms of fishing. Yeah, get to enjoy the sunrise as well. The sun is coming up. Yeah, man, so let's see what today brings us it.
So while babe goes fishing, I'm gonna go for a swim because it's morning swim, so why not? You know? Hopefully Island boy's down for that. Island. He's been a little bit off this whole trip. I think he's just been so overtired. So, you know. What are your recommendations, guys, for sunburn? I think aloe vera. Yeah, I don't know if these guys have any, but I'll find out. It's just because it doesn't really affect me too much, but yeah, just to bring the redness down a bit. Oh my gosh. Sunscreen, that helps, maybe. Anyways, guys, we'll check up with us in a little while. Yeah, babe?
Yeah.
Yep. And Island, we're going to go swimming. Alright, check up with us in a little while. He decided to do his toilet business here. Mister.
Island.
Tide seems high. Tide seems high.
Yeah, a little bit.
Island, go get it.
Beautiful. Baby, do you know what I forgot to tell you to bring? Do you know in our room there's a Coles bag there? Can you run up and get it for us? Thank you. Hello. This is just absolutely beautiful. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Oh, the water is beautiful, guys. We are! Beautiful. Absolutely lovely.
Mama,
There's a boat coming somewhere down there.
Mama.
So guys, we're just walking around the village right now. Please excuse Ireland. He's just being really difficult throughout this whole trip. He has been really naughty. He's been wanting to have it his way, nothing but his way.
Pure breadfruit tree.
Wow. Is that a mango tree there?
Yeah.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Of these two coconut trees.
Oh, they got almond tree as well.
Where?
Almond tree, like from Jamaica.
Wow.
Walking down this pathway to find the, they call it the coffee shop.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But we can't walk there because if you look, the tide is high, so there definitely must be a pathway somewhere through this bush area. So I'm guessing we're gonna have to go back up. Yeah, this is another big almond tree. Island, get out the water. We're not going swimming right now.
Quicksand.
Yeah. Yeah, that's another big almond tree.
Where?
This one. Yeah. Island, up we go. They also have cassava tree. A few of them here. Yeah, man.
Go to sleep. Now. Go to sleep.
Woolly papa. Or you would say papaya. Beautiful place. Really tranquil. Look at that, guys. Breadfruit pan tree. That one is ripe and now I drop it. Ripe till it are rotten. And look here. Nice breadfruit that, you know. Nice roasting one that. You see another one, babe?
Yeah, sure they have.
Oh yeah. Straight. Right to the paradise today, you know. Yeah. I've got roast a breadfruit, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, definitely. Cassava tree, they're all about the same way. Whole heap of banana there. And them must have planting.
That's probably the way to the village.
Yeah. And they have the White House banana. Well, what we call it in a Portland anyway. Or them call it frog banana. You know, different parish might call it different name. But yeah. Village life, nice. And tell say oh, them deal with coconut a lot here, so so much coconut hucks that. Look how them pile up over there, so. Yes, so
I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes, guys,
really.
and I'm sweating.
Yeah, it's really hot. Must be like a farm here or something. Go further down. Oh, see, I go have a tree there. I swear, if we did film this video and say Jamaica with everybody wouldn't believe.
Mom.
That's how it look.
Mom.
Yes, Anna.
I've got chicken.
You want to go bed?
Yeah.
You tired?
Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, nice full one here, so yeah, even fry. What? You hear that, babe? Yeah, that's a pig. You serious? Run. Run. Whoever do it, I think they probably farm.
Just on the shit.
Oh, really?
The black.
No, it's not it's breadfruit. It's breadfruit. Yeah, we just hear a pig up there. But I feel like they're probably raising pig. If not, it's probably a wild pig though. We would be in big trouble. The sun hot still. And after 4 now.